Shubor Nagaslem Jong Unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih ke Sarkar Jela Rakkam sangma ulaong. Bahadin bapenlong ya ki jingpet benya ki dorkas ki balapha de ki katu kat ni ki seng bat ki breu la yo I ba West Khasi Hills ki don hadu khandai potli ki school Henry ki dang duna pat ki Nonghikai ha ka ba la don ki cap ba ki don ki school ki badan tang ka wei ki Nongyarap bana kaliang Ketenat Pulih ke Sarkar kala kular ba la dap ban penbet ha ka be dei bat ki jing da ka ba penlong ya ki interview na ka benta ki bala Pyndep ya ki jing pulih MTET kaban sedang naduk ke khat santrik unai wing kaban pendap haduk khat arspa ateli ki kam Nonghikai hapo ki school LP jong ke Sarkar bat palat laispa haduk sauspa ateli ki kam na ka benta ki upper primary school Rakkam ula penting kenaru ha kabede bat ke interview na ka benta ki kam Nonghikai jong ki LP ladap ban penting kenara naduk ke khat santrik unai wing arajar arpulai bat kum Ketenat kan yele kat bala man Pyndep ye kene ka kam kham kloi kham tam Shwa ka jing rakhi ye ka Khristmas but kermen bah Shwa ka Khristmas anla ban ai no ya ki Shithi Thungkam shiki Nonghikai ki bala pas ye ka interview
come with a delegation with certain memorandum of the local level. Suppose in West Coast there are 90 schools only having one teacher's age, all things all that. So we have informed them that we have already scheduled the interview for the MTET. MTET qualified candidate will be held from 15th of November to fill up more than 1,200 vacancies in the government LP school and more than 300-400 in UP school. For lower primary school interview has been fixed from 15th of November 2023 and we will try to complete the process before Christmas and before the Christmas I think we will be able to give the appointment to the qualified candidate in the interview.